Hi guys, good morning everybody. Yes, it is another beautiful day. I hope you guys are doing well as I am. Today I want to go to the bank to run my monetization stuff. I told you guys that I'm using a Israel bank and it is still running on my YouTube this thing. So I'll be going to sort out everything that I have to do with bank people, and I'll go with my children also because I told you guys the other day that my little baby, she used to cry whenever I go out. I know it's going to be stressful, but I'm going there with my condition. I don't know how Nigerian people do it here, but I know over there, once you are pregnant or you have children, they are going to give you a special attention. I don't know if bank people are going to do that to me today. So, with my condition and my children, let me know if they are going to attend to me. They say they open in 10 o'clock. So, my brother is saying that I have to be there in 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. Immediately they open the door, I have to go inside with them. If not, I will stay a long time before they will attend to, because I'm going to the customer care. But I have no help. I still have to do the things that I have to do this morning, and they are still sleeping. I just brushed my teeth. Yeah, I'm about to make their breakfast. And what else? I'm going to bring out the clothes, spread it, make their this thing, put them up, and we'll zoom off. Okay, so let's just see how it goes. And today I'm expecting their teacher to come, their lesson teacher to come. I've already sent a message to her on WhatsApp. I don't know if she will come, but I'm still expecting her today. Okay, so today will not just go like that. Let me go to the bank. Hopefully they are going to attend to me because of my condition and the children that I came with. I don't know. Okay, so guys, please keep watching. And
She's the mom of five, she thrives. An African woman with a vibe that's alive. She's loving her life and her job so much, with the world in her hands and a loving touch. Nancy owns the vibe, yeah, she's full of grace, spreading joy like sunshine in every place. She likes peace, no soul, she always says shalom. In her heart of gold, she's built a home. Morning hustle with a smile on her face. Kids in the background, life's a busy race. But Nancy's dancing through the crazy scene. Her heart's a melody like you've never seen. Nancy owns the vibe, yeah, she's full of grace, spreading joy like sunshine in every place. She likes peace, no soul, she always says shalom. In her heart of gold, she's built a home. She's cooking love in the kitchen like fire, living a dream, she's lifting higher. The chaos and calm blend like a song. Her heart's a melody like you've never sung. Late night talks while the moon takes its bow. She's juggling dreams but she knows how. Nancy, the mom of five, doing her best. With faith and laughter she aces the test. Nancy owns the vibe, yeah, she's full of grace, spreading joy like sunshine in every place. Every place. She likes peace, no soul, she always says shalom. In her heart of gold, she's built a home. She's cooking love in the kitchen like fire, living a dream, she's lifting higher. Chaos and heart blend like a song, her story's huge, she's where she belongs. Late night talks while the moon takes its bow. She's juggling dreams but she knows how. Nancy, the mom of five, doing her best. With faith and laughter she aces the test. An African woman with a vibe that's alive. She's loving her life and her job so much, with the world in her hands and a loving touch. Nancy owns the vibe, yeah, she's full of grace, spreading joy like sunshine in every place. She likes peace, no soul, she always says shalom. her heart of gold, she's built a home. Morning hustle with a smile on her face. Kids in the background, life's a busy race. But Nancy's dancing through the crazy scene. Her heart's a melody like you've never seen. Nancy owns the vibe, yeah, she's full of grace. Spreading joy like sunshine in every place. She likes peace, not so she always says shalom. In her heart of gold, she's built a home. She's cooking love in the kitchen like fire, living a dream, she's lifting higher. The chaos and calm blend like a song. Her heart's a melody like you've never sung. Late night talks.
Even though it's almost 1 o'clock, let me just go and try. Hopefully they will attend to me. Yeah, I'm going with my squad.
Mama, you're going home.
Squad, yeah, they are coming back from lesson.
So, mommy.
I don't want today to be waste. Even if I did not succeed, there is no problem.
Mama.
But I just need to go
You walk like
and to know their requirements. Because staying at home, Mondays are waste in Nigeria. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. How many days? 3 days to run your activities. If you don't do that, you're not going to succeed. So let me just go and try. All right. And I have no one to keep my kids with. They have to go with me. Share this my cry. Baby girl, you are happy going with me? Or you want to go home? They want to go with me. Anyhow it is.
An African woman with a vibe that's alive. She's loving her life and her job so much. With the world in her hands and a loving touch. Nancy owns the vibe, yeah, she's full of grace. Spreading joy like sunshine in every place. She likes peace, not so she always says shalom. In her heart of gold, she's built a home. Morning hustle with a smile on her face. Kids in the background, life's a busy race. But Nancy's dancing through the crazy scene. Her heart's a melody like you've never seen. Nancy owns the vibe, yeah, she's full of grace. Spreading joy like sunshine in every place. She likes peace, not so she always says shalom. In her heart of gold, she's built a home.
Oh, yeah. I wish you happy birthday. Nigeria is sweet too. Hi guys, welcome back again. So my sister came yesterday because of this. I gave her money to buy it for me. Yes, that was the main reason why she was here yesterday. But before we do the unboxing, I told you guys I'll be going to the bank. That I don't know if I'm going to succeed or blah blah blah. Yes, everything went well. I couldn't finish, but at least one was a success. Waiting for the next one. Okay. And the attention that I told you guys, I don't know if they are going to be giving to me because I'm pregnant. Yes, they gave me, but not like they. To just make them just more. Yes. Oh, even though it was a bit straight because they demanded a passport from me, I have to enter a bike, go and snap a very quick one, bring it to them. That was why I was able to do the one that I did, but thank God everything went well. Okay, so let's go on now and unbox this light. I've been longing to have this light, but I said it's when I come to Nigeria that I'm going to get it. I have a ring light, but I cannot carry it. It's going to be stressful for me. This one is the stand, and I know that it's going to serve me very well. So let's do the unboxing and see how it looks like. I think we're going to start from let's start from the stand. Yeah. But I'm going to take this camera back. Yes, so you guys can see. This is my first time of using this. Yeah, hold it, I'm coming. That's the extra battery, I'm coming. Let me take the camera back. So that's the stand. She taught me yesterday. So we'll start from losing this. Yeah, I think this one is to adjust. Yes, adjusting. You have to be very. Yes, I can do it. Okay, that's the leg, and I'll tight it. Baby, be careful. This one is the length. Yes, I'm getting. That's the length, and I'll tight it. It's okay like this. This stand is very strong.
It's really, really strong.
Hold it for me and come. It's very strong. I think if I want to adjust it again, is it not? You see? So I can take it up more. Wow. Oh, beautiful. But this one is okay. Let me take it down.
Small.
Yes.
It's good, it's like that.
It's okay. I'll tight it. And yeah. The next one is then let's see what is here. Let's see what is inside. How do I open this? Okay. It's here. Yeah, that's the empty carton. Yeah. So please keep writing. So this is what I have inside. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. That's this is the light, the battery. It came with two batteries and the adapter. This one is the charger for charging the batteries. And this one is another screw for this place. I think maybe. Okay. Okay. So let's start from here. Keep it. Wait. Careful.
This one.
This one is extra careful. I hope this my camera is not too far. But it's for you guys to let me take it closer. Leave it. Okay, I think it's more better now. Look at it. Okay, but let me. That's the screw that is here.
For the knife.
I'm going to put it like this. This one is extra careful. Before that, Nana, you hold it to. Maybe I'll take this stand down with it again. Okay, it's tight. It's tight. Let me take this down.
Put it down.
Okay, that is the stand. That's it. Yes. So I'm going to Zeus. Wait. I'm going to open it like this. Oh my God. Oh, okay.
You can see.
We are done with this. So the next one is let's put the battery.
Battery.
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait. No, hold this one first. The follow come battery. I'm going to put it here and here. Yeah, I need this one. But let me use one first. Let me use one. So look at it. You fix it like this. Press this one. There's a button here. Should I put the two batteries? Okay, let me put it.
What's it about?
Okay, bring the second one. But one can go. I think if you want to make it to be more sharper, you also put it like this. If you guys can see it, okay. I'm going to press here again to push it inside. Hope I'm getting it.
Are you getting it?
I don't know. Hopefully, I'm getting it. Yeah, it's strong now.
How about this one?
I'm coming. Yeah, hold it. I'm coming. So it came with these two batteries. Yeah, and let's on it. Did I get it?
But this one you need.
Wait. It's not on. I didn't get it. Wait, 1 minute.
Well, I do know when I'll do it on.
Maybe give me the adapter. But she owned it yesterday. Maybe I didn't put it well or what. I guess I didn't put it well. Let me try again. Oh my goodness, guys. Hey, someone should spell content creation again for me. Eh? No matter how you try to be perfect, one day, you will lose guard. Anyway, what happened was that I went offline to call my sister that the battery is not working. So she said I have to charge it. Even that yesterday that she showed me how to fix everything, the thing was not shining very well. So she told me to charge it well before it can start working. Even the extra battery that I got is not working too. So I still have to charge the whole batteries. All right. So that was what happened, my people. Hey, goodness of God. And I was busy talking, thinking that my mic is on. I'm having my mic card. Anyways, I think what happened was that after plugging this thing on my phone, the receiver, I was supposed to press the mic so the green light can be stable. Let me not blame myself much. What you are seeing there is the adapter. Yes, I used the adapter. I plugged it on the light to check how the thing is showing. Oh, more. This is so fantastic. I love this so much. Whether there is light or there is no light, like you are going to be getting the brightness of your videos. Anyways, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. How do you see? Because I showed you guys the one with light and the one without light. You can see that the one with light is more shiny. Ah, this is so good. This is so good. And how much did I get this thing? I'm going to check the receipt again to know the actual price. Yeah, I think it is grade by grade depending on your money. Yes, but guys, I recommend it for everybody. Or you know, I last is that is another thing. But I pray it lasts for me, and as much as I can, I'm going to handle it with care. But this is so beautiful, and my room is so dark. I'm always struggling with the window to as my using it as light. But I know that this is going to serve me very well. So the initial time that this video started, I was telling you guys that this is the battery that I got. Yes, it came with two batteries, and I bought an extra battery. This battery that it came with, I heard that it doesn't last. So, but this my extra battery is going to be lasting for me. Yes, I'm going to be updating you guys how the whole this thing is serving me in case if you feel like getting it. Once it is okay, but for now, I recommend it for anybody that wants to buy it. But let's see how this thing serves me. Okay, you are free to ask me any question down there in the comment section if you feel like. So, and I also showed you the charger, how to charge it. Yes, and what other thing? Yeah, there is no other thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched up to this point and if you've not subscribed to our channel, see, at the end of the video, my kids were telling you guys, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We could subscribe onto the channel. So please, if you've not subscribed to Nancy own, this is my own. Yes, you're supporting me alone and my children. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and liking every of our videos. God will bless you amazingly.
Nancy owns the vibe, yeah, she's full of grace. Spreading joy like sunshine in every place. She likes peace, not so she always says shalom in her heart.